This is the lecture video for section 5.4, video 4. In this video, we're going to do one example for verifying identities. So at the beginning, I'm just quickly show you the four formulas we're going to use. Still the same four formula. And then the example we're going to do is tangent of pi over 4 plus t plus tangent of pi over 4 minus t equals to 2 secant squared t over 1 minus tangent squared t. Okay, so we're going to start from the left-hand side because that is more complicated. I probably need a little bit more space. For the first term, tangent of pi over 4 plus t can be expanded as tangent of pi over 4 plus tangent of t over 1 minus tangent of pi over 4 times tangent of t. The second part can be expanded as tangent of pi over 4 minus tangent of t over 1 plus tangent of pi over 4 times tangent of t. So tangent of pi over 4 is 1. So we're going to replace all the tangent pi over 4 with 1. Okay, so we end up with 1 plus tangent of t over 1 minus tangent of t plus 1 minus tangent of t over 1 plus tangent of t. So we're going to add in the two fractions. The LCD is going to be 1 minus tangent of t times 1 plus tangent of t. So on the first term, I need to have two copies, or I'm multiplying. On the denominator will become to 1 minus tangent squared t. On the second term is going to be multiplied 1 minus t, 1 minus tangent of t. The denominator is still 1 minus tangent square of t. So by adding those two fractions, we end up with 1 plus 2 tangent of t plus tangent square of t plus 1 minus 2 tangent of t plus tangent squared of t. Okay, when we simplify it, we got 2 plus 2 tangent squared of t over 1 minus tangent squared of t. I can factor out the 2's to get 1 plus tangent square of t, which I can using the identity to change it to rewrite 1 plus tangent of t with secant square of t, which is equal to the right hand side.